Our stance, government stance on Kashmir is absolutely clear. It was our jugular vein. It is our jugular vein. We will not forget it.
इंशाअल्लाह गोलियों की बुछार से हम तुम्हारी गर्दनों को भी काटेंगे और शहादा की कुर्बानियों की लाज रखेंगे।
Lashkar-e-Taiba, TRF, these are just names. This is the handwork of the Pakistani army and the ISI. His obnoxious narrative suggested that the Pakistani army was going to do something irrational.
The recent terror attack in Pahalgam came in the shadow of deeply inflammatory remarks by Pakistan's Chief of Army Staff, General Asim Munir. In a speech delivered just weeks earlier, Munir had reaffirmed what he called Pakistan's eternal stance on Kashmir, invoking the now outdated jugular vein metaphor. He didn't stop there. Munir doubled down on the ideological framing of Kashmir by resurrecting the two-nation theory. His words:
Well, our forefathers, they thought that we are different from the Hindus in every possible aspect of life. Our religion is different. Our customs are different. Our traditions are different. Our thoughts are different. Our ambitions are different. That was the foundation of the two-nation theory that was laid there. That we are two nations.
India didn't hold back. Responding to Munir's comments, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said the only matter pending with Pakistan is for it to vacate the territories it has illegally occupied.
And we will not leave our Kashmiri brethren in their heroic struggle, what they are waging against the Indian occupation.
Munir's reference to a heroic struggle echoes the decades-old strategy of outsourcing military objectives to non-state actors. Whether it was Kargil in 1999, Mumbai in 2008 or Pulwama in 2019. These proxy wars have long blurred the line between the Pakistani military establishment and groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba. So what are we seeing now? A return to form? Pakistan's political climate is volatile. The economy teeters on the brink. Its government, widely perceived as lacking legitimacy, is under siege from within. In such moments, the military has historically found diversion in Kashmir.
Yeah, the limitations of normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir will always be defined by the state of Pakistan. Pakistan today is in deep turmoil, and as long as it is in deep turmoil, it will try and create a turmoil in India, or at least in Jammu and Kashmir.
Fresh intelligence points two Lashkar-e-Taiba commanders operating out of Rawalkot. One of them, a man known as Abu Musa, delivered a fiery address on April 18, calling explicitly for violence.
मैदान मुजाहिद का है, जरा करके देख, इंशाअल्लाह गोलियों की बुछार से हम तुम्हारी गर्दनों को भी काटेंगे और शहादा की कुर्बानियों की लाज रखेंगे।
Such statements are not spontaneous, they are strategic. Groups like LET have never acted independently, they operate under the long shadow of the ISI and Pakistan's military command. Now, the question is no longer whether there's a proxy war.